There it is. Got through another case of Bowman Chrome. There it is, all right. Okay, we got Travis. We've got Scott. Anders. Brad McDermott's in it. Darryl Rideout. Travis Godsey. We've got Ken McDowell's in it. Mike Keff. Yep. How's everybody doing? I'm just tagging everybody here quick. Bounce in it. Mike Size in it. And we've got Brad, Mike, Scott, Corey, Jabber, Eagles. Yeah, I know. I don't mind. I'm on night out at this point. Oh, Scott. Tommy's in it. Scott, Mike, Levi's in it. We've got Scott, Travis, Mike, Travis, Scott, Travis, Chris Lee, and Dan are in it. There we go. And Dan, the clerk. Oh, I gotta tell my son to quiet down. He's playing his video games in the other room. There he is. Dan. Chrome is live. Alright. Everybody's tagged to it. Teams. Second half. Diamondbacks, Travis Wyndham. Braves, Scott Anders. Orioles, Brad McDermott. Red Sox, Darryl Rideout. Cubs, Ken McDowell. White Sox, Mike Keff. Travis Godsey's got the Reds. Indians, Brandon Bebout. Rockies, Darryl Rideout got him. Mike Size got the Tigers. Brad McDermott won the Astros in the filler. Royals, Mike Keff. Angels, Scott Anders. Dodgers, Jaguru Eagles. Marlins, Corey Carell. Scott Anders got the Brewers. Scott Anders got the Twins. Tommy Olszewski got the Mets. Scott Anders has the Yankees. Scott Anders has the A's. Mike Keff has the Phillies. Levi Lauer has the Pirates. Scott Anders has the Padres. Giants, Travis Godsey. Mariners, Mike Keff. Cardinals, Travis Wyndham. Rays, Scott Anders. Rangers, Travis Godsey. Blue Jays, Chris Lee. And the Nationals is Dan DeClerc. That is how it broke down for the second half. Cool. And I already have the first half packed. So we're just sitting here in open boxes. So I will get most of this out tomorrow. If not all of it. Should go pretty quick. Alright. And I'm going up tomorrow to get more. So, yeah. I have one more case of this I know coming. And I'm going to try some Topps Museum. We haven't done that in a while. Just to get something different. And then I got some more hockey stuff floating around. Alright. Just to keep that moving along too. Right, let's get this stuff out of here. There's 3. And then there's 3. Empty box. Add that to my box collection downstairs. There they are. 6 of them. Okay. Top loader sleeves. Here they are. Big pile of them. I got extras if I need it. Top loaders. Good to go. Okay, here we go. First box. Alright, let's pull this up a little bit. That way I can get to it easier. There it is, close up. First box of Bowman Chrome. I don't know, is this going to be the one? Is this going to be the one I finally get it either Acuna or Ohtani in? I'm hoping. Gotten Gleyber Torres twice now. There's that empty. And here's this empty. Yeah, Devers too. It's been a while. I know I got him before. Well, back when this first came out. But we haven't pulled him since, Devers. He's hittable. Alright, we can get him. Alright, here we go. First box. We have Lamont Wade, Riley Adams, Alex Wells, first Bowman for the Orioles. There you go, Brad. Right off the bat. Willie Calhoun and Sandy Alcantara right behind him. So the Orioles are on the board on the first auto. With an Alex Wells. Nice and clean. Second card. We got Dakota Hudson, Pavin Smith. We got a refractor, Kyle Tucker. Numbered 38 out of 499 on that one. With Andujar and Cisco rookie cards behind it. So the Astros get one. Brad and Brad. Boom. Good way to start out a break, right? And I'll keep that sleeved. I'll top load all them before I get them shipped and packed. Got Dylan Cease, Taylor Trammell, Sixto Sanchez for the Phillies, Freeman and Bohr. Oh, yeah, you're right. Jordan was my first. That was my first Jordan. And it came out of nowhere, too. So that's not off the charts yet, either. Mackenzie, De Los Santos. There's Aidman. Purple Flash. Herrera and Molina behind him. Purple Flash for the Cubs. That one's numbered 169 out of 655. The gold mixed in with the flash and made it hard to read. Okay. So the Cubs get on. That would be Ken McDowell. And we've got Marsh, Houck. There's a Vesta from the Mariners Arizona League. Garrett Cooper and Nick Williams rookie cards. We got Zach Birdie, Dylan Tate. We had a gold Dylan Tate yesterday. Bo Bichette, Peaks of Potential for the Blue Jays. And then we have Nola and Castro. And what is this? I think this is the autograph. Yeah, it's a 6-1 up from the bottom. Alright, here we go. We got Armenteros. We got Pearson. And we got Jose Gomez for the Phillies. Phillies snag one there. Followed by Benintendi and Trout. So the Phillies. That's going to be Mike Keff. Got a Jose Gomez first Bowman auto. So we got Phillies and Orioles to start us off. Get on there, these gloves. Okay. Alright, we got Mountcastle, Bowers, Osuna, and then we have a Shane Bieber. Oh, wait. A little too quick on that. I'll do him next. Shane Bieber, 2 out of 250 purple for the Indians. There you go, Indians. And that is Brandon. And then we have a Osuna is a refractor. Caught it right as I set it down. That one is 377 out of 499. Blue Jays, that's Chris Lee, I believe. Yes. Alright, and then Tyler Molly rookie card ended that pack. And we have Atunya, Allen, Jorge Guzman from the Marlins, peaks of potential. J.P. Crawford and Alex Verdugo rookie cards. All cards shipped too. I know you guys always hear me say it, but I always repeat it. Connor Seabold, Chavis, Royce Lewis, Bowman Sterling for the Twins. And we got Kershaw and Chapman. Alright, we got Diaz, Marlins, Dalbec, David Boat for the Cubs, Arizona League, Harrison and Scherzer. And our last pack of the first box will be Will Benson, Carter Keyboom. I'm hearing that Carter Keyboom gold auto that we pulled the other case went for $600. Hunter Green, peaks of potential. Acuna rookie card, and then Beckham. Yeah, that was a good pull, it seems. Remember that gold one we pulled, the gold auto? Maybe it was the second case I think we did. Alright, second box. We'll take that off the top there. Alright. There's the first. There's the second. Let's get full. Alright. Second box. Here we go. This should have the autograph. Yeah, it's a redemption. Oh boy. If the redemptions have done well with us in this. Peterson. I'm gonna make the last one. JD Martinez. Carlos Correa. Cody Sedlock. And our redemption card is Lois Siga of the Yankees. Looks like you got a Bowman Chrome Prospect autograph. Pitcher for the Yankees. Lois Siga. If I'm pronouncing that right. I know it's close. I remember hearing it. It's been so long since I've heard it, though, because I sent it back down to the minors. But that's a Yankee hit, and that's going to Scott Anders. So you got two redemptions for the Yankees now. With Torres and him. And that is a Chrome. Yeah, it's just a regular Chrome Prospect auto. Bichette, there's Russell Wilson. Here is Gratterall from the Twins. Refractor, 346 out of 499. The Twins pick one up. I hope so. Yeah, I'm hoping so too. It's just not the same without the fans, though, you know? It's too quiet. I mean, I'll watch it, but I don't know. It's just boring. Hiora, Moniak, Mackenzie Gore. Then we got Suto and Hamels. Lambert, Nolan Jones. We got Yasel and Tunya of the Nationals. Purple Flash, 503 out of 655. So the Nats get one. That's Dan. Oh, and the Twins. Who had the Twins? That was Scott Anders. So Dan DeKirk that gets this one. Yeah, he is pretty decent. Alright, we got Solis, Noose, Alzolay from the Cubs, Arizona League, Moncada, and Upton. Huh, I'm looking at this one pack and it looks pretty thick. Got 3 down. Urias, Burrows, there's Noose from the A's, peaks of potential. Walker Buehler and Thomas Anito, rookie cards. And theoretically, this is the autograph. But I'm looking at that middle one there. Pinder, Romero, Chris Torres from the Marlins. Hunter Renfroe and Beltre behind him. First Bowman refractor, 414 out of 499. It's gone to Corey Carell. We pulled him in a different color before. That's a pretty decent one, though. There you go, Chris Torres for the Marlins. Oh, did he? They brought him back. I know in the beginning of the season last year they had him pitch a couple games. And I think they sent him down. They might have brought him up. I don't remember. I try to forget when they lose. Wheel, Cameron. There is Jake Lamb refractor. Chessie, Ornado. This one is 50 out of 5 or 50 out of 499 for the D-backs. That's you, Travis. Stop again. There we go. And this is the thick one. This has to be, yeah, the relic. And it is. We got Evan Steele. Colton Welker, third baseman, Rockies. And Estrada, Thero Estrada, Arizona League. Yankees hit. Game used memorabilia. A pinstripe through it. And that's numbered 11 out of 99 up top there. So there you go, Scott Anders. Getting a, looks like the relic card out of this. And that's no problem getting that there. And I'm pretty sure that's a 220. It's a little bit thicker than 197. There you go. There you go. That is pretty cool. Alright. Keeping it moving. We got Soto, Freeman. There's Ohtani. Bowman Sterling rookie card. I'll sleeve that. There's Votto and Goldschmidt behind him. And it's another Ohtani. I think that's like the 5th rookie card version we've gotten of him in this case. I just need his autograph. Wilson, Perez, Acuna, Arizona League. Followed by Flaherty. Oh, Flaherty's SP. And then Ozzie Albies. Alright, so I'll sleeve both of these. That's a different version of Flaherty than his normal rookie card. There you go. Cardinals. Picking that up. That's an SP. Cardinals would be Travis. There you go. A little bit different. Pulled 3 or 4 of them. And our last pack of box 2 is Hernandez, Aidman, Hicks, Peaks of Potential, and there's Flaherty. See the other one? There you go. Now you know I'm not seeing things. And Clint Frazier rookie cards. There you go. Alright, we'll go right. Box 3. And boink. Yeah. That is what it is. The Yankees are too good not to win eventually here. In the Judge era, they better win one. Judge and Torres and them. They just can't seem to get their pitching down. Or their pitching is good and they can't seem to hit well in the same game. I don't know. They got a good pitcher this year. They took him from you guys. Now watch, he'll be terrible. That's just how it goes. I don't know. He's a pretty good pitcher, though. Alright, here we go. Box 4. Senzel, Peralta, and Brett Cumberland of the Braves. Followed by Acuna and Cruz. Brett Cumberland. Yeah, you see these enough times, you notice little different things that pop up. There you go, Braves. That's Scott Anders. Well, that's the second Braves auto we've gotten in this case. I want the third one to be something good, if you get one. We got Mundell, we got Williams. There's Aidman again. Refractor, 414 out of 499. Dozier and Seager behind him. So the Cubs pick up another refractor or numbered card. Medina, Glormy. There's Jordan Alvarez. Peaks of potential. Cabrera and DeYoung. I'll always sleeve him because I think that's the only card he has besides the autograph. And I think it's worth something, if I remember right. Green in this one. Abreu, Meadows, Twins, Green Flash. Lamont Wade, number 12 out of 99. Tyler O'Neill and Dominic Smith, rookies behind him. So there is another Twins hit. Going to Scott Anders. We've got Tucker, Stefan. There is Toussaint, Arizona League. Gohara and Granite, rookie cards. And we've got Pinder, Romero. There's Mitchell White from the Dodgers. Peaks of potential. There's Bryant and Gordon. And I think this is the autograph. Pack 6. It's purple. We got Brandon Marsh, Tanner Houck. Oh my goodness. Wow, he came out of nowhere the last time too. Brad McDermott. You just had an awesome night. Jordan Alvarez, purple. Wow. 74 out of 250 on the back. Boom. Instant awesome break. Wow. There you go. We'll just sit here and look at him for a minute. Wow. Yeah, he came out unexpected the last time with the print run. It was kind of, I've been watching the print runs and what I'm pulling in each box. And the last time we got him, it was just a nothing really going on, and all of a sudden, boom. Cool. That is a beautiful hit. Where is he? I know he was on earlier. Yeah, there you go, bud. You got a Jordan Alvarez, purple. Fulmer and Sanchez. Wow, that is so cool. Now we need an Ohtani or an Acuna, and that'll be a crazy break. Birdie, Tate, Gohara. That's a refractor. And that's 276 out of 499 for the Braves. And then we have another Astro. Rogelio Armenteros, 96 out of 250. First Bowman. Purple. Yeah, wow. That's my second one I've ever gotten. Chris Archer. You figure you open them enough times, you're going to start pulling these guys. I'm doing one more case of this. I know I can get it. I'll check tomorrow if he has more. I don't care. I want to pull the big names. Mayton, Bowman. There's a Joe Adell. The Angels. Gleyber Torres. Bryce Harper. Wow, that was awesome. Kendall. Brannon. And there is Adam Hazley for the Phillies. Mookie Betts, Jake Lamb. Purple one or regular one? Chance Adams, Manning. Matt Face, Arizona League for the Angels. Robles and Magia rookie cards. Got Sanchez, Albertos. Brandon Marsh of the Angels. Rosario and Hamilton. And we are done 3 boxes. We're halfway. Wow. Big hit in the last one. There it is. Beautiful. That's awesome. Definitely made your money back on that one. That proves it pays to jump into a filler every once in a while. But when you do it, only get like 2 spots if it's a higher price filler. And if you win one, boom, you really made money back. Pick the higher end team. I've been there. I've lost a million of them in the past. I'm always second place. Like I come in second in fillers. I hate fillers. The only one I think I ever won was a football helmet, autographed football helmet one. And then I won a Marshall Falk autograph. And I was like, oh well, that's life. But people do win big cards out of them. And small little 2-box breaks. I've pulled quite a few big hits out of little breaks. And Tyler just did one tonight. Look at that. 2 ridiculous hits. Alright. We got... Stop it. Alright. Diaz, Dalbec, and Dustin May. Nice. That's a nice auto. Garrett Cooper, Nick Williams. Dodgers getting one. If you're going to get one, that's the one to get. Let's go on to Jaguru Eagles. Getting a Dustin May. And it's a base auto. Still a decent one. And what else are we going to pull here? I'm very curious. Benson, Keyboom, Diaz. If I remember right, the last one we pulled with Alvarez, we had that gold Keyboom, and we had that, the guy from the Padres, Urias Redemption. There's Diaz, 210 out of 499. I think that was all of them in that particular case. Or half case, if I remember. Lamont Wade, Riley Adams, Tatis Jr., piece of potential. We got Ichiro and Eric Hosmer. Dustin May, you got him. Dakota Hudson, Taylor Trammell. There's a purple Chase Pinder, purple Flash. Jose Ramirez and Yelich behind him. 468 out of 655 for the Cardinals. Another Cardinals hit. That's going to be Travis again. Yeah, we're due for them to hit. Cease, Justice Sheffield, Arizona League, and Stanton and Reese Hoskins. That's where people always get it. Remember this. That's not my last name. Take the N out. I can't tell you how many 100 times people say, payment sent, and it's not there, and it's because they added an N. And I'm always like, oh, join the crowd. Pavin Smith, De Los Santos, Florial, piece of potential, Pujols, Rizzo. I think this is the autograph right here. What are we going to get? It is green. All right, so we got Zach Collins, we got Santillan, and we have Michael Baez. San Diego, Harrison and Scherzer right behind him. This is a green one. Padres get one. That is Scott Anders. And it is 19 out of 99. I think we pulled him the other night too. Green. We got 5 left. We've got a blue one. Brendan Little, Christian Robinson, and there is Paul DeJong, blue. Followed by an Acuna rookie and Beckham. So I'll sleeve that. This one is, I'll tell you the number here in a second. 72 out of 150 on that one. There you go, Travis again. Getting a lot of Cardinals stuff. And there's another Acuna rookie card, which I always sleeve. Him and Ohtani I sleeve just for the heck of it. Because they're both good players. Alright. Armenteros, Pearson, there's Urias, peaks of potential. Calhoun and Alcantara, all rookie cards. We've got Mountcastle Bowers. We've got a Mackenzie Gore Bowman Sterling. There's McGill Andujar and Chance Sisco rookie cards. And we've got Antonio, Nick Allen. We got Nito from the Mets, Arizona League. Freeman and Bohr. And our last pack of box 4 is going to be Seabold, Chavis, Gleyber Torres, Peaks Potential, Herrera, and Molina. And we're 4 down. All right. We got 4 more autos. There you go. Oh, that's right, I forgot. I got some Select coming this week too. I ordered it. It's coming in, I think, Friday. Select Baseball. So look for that coming up. On top of everything else next weekend. Oop. Empty. And here we go. First pack. Little. Robinson. Yeah, I mixed them up. McKay, Peaks of Potential. Soroka and Lorenzo Cain. This might be it. We got Duplantier, Adames. Joe Dunand. For the Marlins. Upton and Walker Buehler behind him. There you go, Corey Carrell getting another one. He's slowly picking up a lot of Marlins hits in the last couple of cases. I think we've been averaging 2 autographs per box. Or case. Half case, whatever. There you go. We got Guzman, Burks. There's Peralta from the Brewers. 160 out of 499. Refractor. Nito and Fowler rookie cards. There you go. And then we have Austin Allen. We got his orange one the other day. Luis Garcia. Murphy from the A's. Stevenson and Bellinger. We have Harrison, Espinosa. There's Cody Sedlock of the Orioles. 198 out of 655. That one's Purple Flash. Cespedes and Bell. Okay. Robinson. I don't know if I've pulled him yet. Varsho we have. I'm not pulling him. Collins, Santillan. Mitch Keller from the Pirates, Arizona League. Kiermaier and Hicks. Bieber, Varsho, that's the one that I pulled before. And Logan Shore, Refractor for the A's. Ozzie Albies and Jack Flaherty behind him. So the Oakland A's get one. Scott Anders. Logan Shore, Refractor. 320 out of 499 on that one. There you go with the A's. Now we're looking for color. What are we going to get here? Lopez, Hanson. There is Alex Gordon, purple. Frazier and J.D. Martinez behind him. This is the Royals, and that's going to be Mike Keff. 84 out of 250. Purple. And we got Groom, Funkhauser, Franklin Perez, Peaks of Potential, Correa, and Buxton. We have Jeter Downs, Gratterall, Keston Hiura, Bowman Sterling, Olsen, and is it Sueto? Sueto, I think. Nice, things are starting to stick. Stop it. Logan Shore, Ortiz, Luis Urias, Arizona League for the Padres, Hamels and Kingery, Our last pack of box 5 is Brent Rooker, Austin Riley. There's Heliot Ramos for the Giants. Blackman and Moncada. We're down to final box. Are we going to pull something crazy in final box? Let's see. Here we go. And I'm picking up another case of this tomorrow. Probably is going to be the last one you see for a while. I think it's his last case, and Bowman's coming. So I'll start steering away from this until Bowman hits. And I'll get a ton of Bowman if I can. I should be able to get at least 10 cases. I usually do that every year. At least 10. Maybe more. I'm hearing there's some monster hits in it. So worth the while of getting it. Alright, here we go. Well, we got a redemption. Redemptions do well. Hendel. Bowman. Dominic Smith and Gohara rookie cards. And it's going to Carter Keyboom. I told you, didn't I tell you that? The last time we pulled an Alvarez, we had Keyboom with him, and it was gold. But here's a regular Bowman prospect autograph, Carter Keyboom from the Nats. There you go. Dan DeClerc. Getting the Keyboom redemption card. There's the back, not scrapped or anything. No, it's just, yeah, it's not. Carter Keyboom. Cool. Decent half case here. We got Brannon. We got Chance Adams. There's a Mike Bowman from the Orioles, 28 out of 499 refractor. Granite and Bryant. We have Manning, 6-0 Sanchez, Franklin Perez, peaks of potential, Gordon and Frazier. Yeah, so the way it looks is if you pull a Carter Keyboom auto in this case, or half case, chances are you have an Alvarez. So far, that's the way it's been looking. Here's a green. We got Albertos, Nick Senzel. There's Chris Torres. We got his autograph, and now you got a green flash, 71 out of 99 from Miami. Posey and Tudlowitsky. Chris Torres is getting another one. The Marlins did all right quietly. And Peralta, Mundell, Sheffield, Arizona League. Perez and Lindor. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. This is the last one of the first mini box. We got Justin Williams, Medina, Ramos, peaks of potential for the Giants. Giolito and Machado. This is the autograph. I'm going to put it on the bottom so we end with it. Pavin Smith, Dylan Cease. There's Clint Frazier, rookie card refractor for the Yankees. Mejia and Rosario behind him. 157 out of 499. There you go, Yankees. Scott. Getting a Clint Frazier rookie card refractor. Yeah, Torres too. Trammell, McKenzie, Gleyber Torres, peaks of potential. Billy Hamilton and Osuna. And 4 left. Last pack is the auto. We've got De Los Santos, Brandon Marsh. There's an Aaron Judge. Bowman Sterling. We got Nelson Cruz and Brandon Dozier. Houck, Birdie. There is Nito, Arizona League for the Mets. Seager and Cabrera. And our final 2, we have Dylan Tate, Kevin Mayton, Christian Patchy from the Braves. DeYoung and Tyler O'Neill rookie. And here comes your final autograph. Who is it going to be? We've had some decent ones so far. Got Riley Adams, Dakota Hudson, Jake Lamb, Victor Rolls, and Mike Bowman of the Orioles. Started with the Orioles, ended with the Orioles. Mike Bowman. So Brad McDermott grabbing 2 Orioles and a ridiculous Astros. Let's redo it. Let's recap it. We have Mike Bowman of the Orioles. We've got a Carter Keyboom Redemption Prospect Auto for the Nats. We have Logan Shore Refractor for the A's. Joe Dunand for the Marlins. Got Michael Baez Green for the Padres. Number 99. We have a nice Dustin May for the Dodgers. And then we have this ridiculous Jordan Alvarez purple for the Astros. There it is. Number 250. There it is. And then we have Cumberland for the Braves. We have a game-used memorabilia relic for Estrada of the Yankees. The pinstripe in it. Chris Torres refractor for the Marlins. We have Jonathan Loaisiga for the Yankees. Prospect autograph redemption. There's an Acuna rookie card top loaded. Jose Gomez for the Phillies. And Alex Wells. Yeah, the only difference was Urias versus Loaisiga in the other redemption. Otherwise, yeah, pretty close. We'll set him up so you can just stare at that card for now. Crazy, that's my second one. And 4 cases. Here are the numbered. We got Clint Frazier of the Yankees, refractor. We got a green flash, Chris Torres for the Marlins. Mike Baumann, refractor for the Orioles. Alex Gordon, purple for the Royals. Cody Sedlock, purple flash for the Orioles. Oh, no, did I say Orioles on that? Royals. Orioles, all right. Freddie Peralta for the Brewers, refractor. There's an Acuna rookie. Paul DeYoung, blue for the Cardinals. Chase Pinder, purple flash for the Cardinals. Isan Diaz, refractor for the Marlins. Rogelio Armenteros, purple for the Astros. Refractor Luis Gohara for the Braves. Lamont Wade, green flash for the Twins. There's a Jordan Alvarez, peaks of potential. Aidman, refractor for the Cubs. There's an SP of Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Acuna, Arizona League. Otani, Bowman, Sterling. We got Jake Lamb, refractor for the Diamondbacks. We got Acuna, purple flash for the Nats. Gratterall for the Twins, refractor. We've got Acuna, refractor for the Blue Jays. We got Shane Bieber, purple for the Indians. Aidman, purple flash for the Cubs. And Kyle Tucker, refractor for the Astros. Nice Astros. Oh, did it? 2 corners. I don't remember. I know there was a Urias in it. It was a redemption. Luis Urias for the Padres. I don't know. I just remember it being a good batch of them in the second half of that one. There it is. Cool. Jordan Alvarez, purple, number to 250. I'll take a picture of it and put it up just so everybody can see it. That's cool. Congratulations, Brad. Nice break. I appreciate it, guys. Look for more. I'll post some new stuff tomorrow. At the moment, I only have a 2-box hockey break up that has 9 spots left, and it's really cheap. So if you want to jump in, it's only like $4 a spot, and it'll fill, and I'll break that tomorrow. All right. You guys have a great night and a great week. Stay safe. We will see you. Thank you, Brad. That's awesome. Congratulations.